if I want to find the perimeter of a triangle, I just add up the sides, right? So it's just side plus side plus side. Okay, so in this case, my perimeter, right, this is what perimeter equals 7 plus 8 plus 9. Order doesn't matter, right? When I add, I can add in any order. So you could do it in your head however you want. You could do 7 plus 8 first and then add 9, right? You could do it however, but 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 24. So the perimeter here is 24. Same deal over here. Perimeter equals side plus side plus side, right? And really I shouldn't use the same variable for each of those because they're actually all different, right? So, but in this case, perimeter equals 7 plus 10 plus 16. Again, the order doesn't matter when you're adding. So if I do the math, I get 33. My perimeter equals 33. Okay, now, area. Area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. 1/2 times the base times the height. It's also sometimes written like this, base times height over 2. This is the same thing mathematically. Multiplying something by 1/2 is the same as dividing it by 2. So here I'm multiplying base times height times 1/2. Here I'm dividing base times height over divided by 2. It's the same. So either way, what I'm looking for is the base and the height have to be perpendicular. What does that mean? That means they have to meet at a right angle, right? So in this case, sorry, I wrote this kind of in the wrong order, right? This is the base of the triangle and this is the height. So in this case, this is the base of the triangle and this is the height of the triangle. Okay, now even if the triangle was turned, the base and the height would still have to be at a right angle. It gets a little bit tricky when the triangle is turned. But for here, my base is on the bottom and my height is straight up and down. So I have my area equals 1/2 times 9 times 5. And once again, the order doesn't really matter here with multiplication, but 9 times 5 is 45. So I have 1/2 times 45. Or right, if I had done it with base times height over 2, this would have been the same as this would have been base times height over 2. Either way, right, I'm taking half of 45 or I'm dividing 45 by 2. Either way, it's the same, and I get 22.5. Now the area of this triangle over here is a little bit different because the base is here, and because there is a right angle in the triangle, okay, right angle is a 90-degree angle. It's that corner right here. Okay, that's a right angle. Because there's a right angle in the triangle, the base and the height are actually sides of the triangle. So in this case, my area still equals 1/2 times base times height. And in this case, my area equals 1/2 times base times height. Okay, so I get 1/2 of 10 times 7 is 70. Right, again, you could also view it as, you could write it as like this, 70 over 2. Either way, 70 divided by 2 is 35.